Hi there, this is Sharmin Sultana and welcome back to the channel. If you're traveling soon for study, work or just simply a trip, then this video is for you. Today we are going to be learning about sentences that you can be using while traveling abroad where people mostly use English language, which will help you in airport, restaurants, any kind of hotel that you're checking in and even on busy streets. So let's get into it. Section 1 is what kind of sentences will you need at the airport? Where is the check-in counter? That's something you ask when you go into the airport and you know where do you have to keep your luggage and all of that stuff. I have a reservation under this name, and under this name it means your name. That means you're going to be saying I have a reservation under this name. Can I see your passport and ticket please? So this is not something you will be saying, but they will be asking you. So they would want to see your passport and your ticket so that they can let you check in. How much is the bag allowance? That means how much kg of goods you can actually carry with yourself when you are traveling. Where is gate number 12? Or it could be any gate number which is written on your boarding pass. So you could see that and ask, where is this gate number? What time does the flight depart? So maybe you have some confusion or there is a changes in timing. You could ask any kind of stuff over there, that when does this flight depart, and you could show your boarding pass or your ticket, anything. Sometimes when you're at the security, they check everything. Sometimes they want to check, your body, your shoes and everything. They sometimes require you to take off your shoes. So you could ask, should I take off my shoes for the security? You could ask it maybe while you're going for the security or while you're at there. You could ask any of the staff that, do I have to get my shoes off? If you haven't reserved your seat already, you could actually request to the counter that, can I get a window seat please? Because the views are immaculate when you are near a window seat. You could click good pictures, you could have a really good time. I personally love window seats, so you could ask, can I have a window seat please? How long is the flight? If you have any confusion or sometimes there are some kind of turbulence, so you could ask, how long is the flight, to the staff. Where can I collect my baggage? Sometimes we really miss when they say that, oh, this is the belt number, you can go and collect your bags and all of that. So if you miss that, you could actually ask someone, where can I collect the bag? Section 2 is getting around. These are the sentences you use when you're around the city and you need some help, and you're trying to get a taxi, you're trying to get to check into your hotel and all of that stuff. First one is, where can I get the taxi? So this is a very first thing that you are going to be needing when you land at the airport, and you could really ask anyone around that, where can I get a taxi here? How much does it cost to go to this place? So when you get down, sometimes the taxis are not really a very good choice in terms of money, because they can actually cheat you. So you ask someone who is local or who is maybe working there, that how much will it cost for me to go there? It could be your hotel or it could be some other place. Then you could say to the taxi driver or whoever is taking you, can you get me to this place? And that place is basically your hotel. So you could ask, can you get me, and you show the address to this place. Then how much time will you need to get there? So you could ask, how long will it take me to get there? Sometimes, not sometimes, always, even if you're taking a taxi and you think it's safe, you should always look at the maps and see whether they're taking you at the right place. So you could ask them, can you show me on the map? Or can you, if you're having some kind of trouble putting the location into the map, you could actually tell them, can you show me on the map? Or can you just set up the location for me on the map? And if you want to rent your own vehicles and you don't really know where to get them or how to get them, you could ask, I want to rent a vehicle, where can I get the service? So this is basically a service system, right? If people are giving you out the vehicles for rent purpose and all that, and if you're asking it to someone else over there, you could ask, I want to rent a car, where can I get the service? Or which is the place where I can get a car for rent. Section 3 is at the hotel. You could go to the counter and you could say, I have a booking for this many nights. So it could be 1 night, 2 night, 3 night. You say, I am this, your name, and you could say that I have a booking for this many nights. Then sometimes the place might seem very shady, or you're not really sure about the room, so you could ask, can I look at the room first? Like, can I see the room? Then you could ask, is the breakfast included? Because sometimes, when you don't know the place, you really would want the breakfast to be included so that you have a slow morning. So you could ask, is the breakfast included? Then you could ask, when is the checkout? Especially if you're having one-day reservation, it's really important that you know when you have to check out the next day. So then if you have, suppose, any kind of issue, you could ask, can I get help with this? So in this place you use, can I get help with the Wi-Fi? Or can I get help with the switches in my room? Can I get help with the washroom pipes? Like, if something is going wrong, you can just ask them that, oh, I need help for this. Or you could just say the Wi-Fi is not working, or the taps are not working, something like that. And then you could ask, suppose you have a lot of luggage, you could actually request to the counter that, can I have help with my luggage, or can someone help me with the luggage? At restaurant or shop, you could say, can I see the menu please? Like, you could ask for the, whatever you want to order, you want to see it first, right? So you could say that, can I have the menu please? Then if you're vegan or you're vegetarian, you could say, can I see the vegetarian options? Like, you have to be actually very specific about that at the very beginning, because or else they don't know what to serve you, right? So you could, when you're asking for the menu, you could say that, can I get the menu please? And then you could say that, I want the vegetarian options, or I want to see only the vegetarian options. Then whatever you want to order, you say, I would like to order this, and you point to the menu, or you say the name of the dish. Can I get the bill? When you're done, if you want to wrap up your eating, or you just want to leave the place, you could say, can I get the bill, to the waiter or waitress. Then you could say, can I pay by cash or card? So mode of payment, like some people use card when abroad, some people use cash when abroad. So whatever you're using, you have to ask them that, oh, I want to pay with cash, or I want to pay with card. And the polite way is to just ask them that, can I use my cash, or can I use a card? I hope you found the video helpful, and if you have any kind of doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know if this kind of video really helps you, because this is a series that I started thinking about, the immediate kind of help for situations. Like, sometimes the whole English learning process can be looking very long and everything, but you need really some immediate action. You want to know some immediate sentences to use in situations. So these series that I'm trying to start is kind of based on that. And if you have any kind of doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and I hope to see you soon. I hope these videos are helping you out. Your opinion really matters, and I would really appreciate if you let me know what you think about these videos. I will see you soon. Bye bye.